Hi, it's Patty from Thronatisca. I got a friend with me today, Austin Fowler. Austin is actually a fireman, and I really wish that you had brought your fire truck out here because it's hot. I have been under a lot of duress today working here at Thronatisca. I've been confettied and all this other stuff, and I'm burning up. What's the temperature?
My weather app today said it's 92 degrees.
92
so
degrees.
Pretty hot, especially
Yeah.
being out here on the concrete. So.
Have you always lived here in Georgia?
Yes, I've lived in Georgia all of my life,
Uh-huh.
especially in this general area around Albany. So.
And do you know what snow is, or have you ever been to a snowy place before?
I've seen snow probably twice in my life around this area. Once
that
when I
right?
was really little, and then once, I would say fairly recently, a couple of years ago.
Wow. Well, I used to live in Colorado, and it would snow in May, and it would snow again in August, and depending on where you were in the mountains, it would snow all the time, and I really miss it. Got any ideas?
No. Well, seeing as the weather here doesn't cooperate as well for snow as it would in, say, Colorado, but what we can do is we can make artificial snow or homemade snow using some very easy to obtain products from, say, dollar stores. All you need is some shaving cream and baking soda. What you're going to do is you're going to find a container to mix it all in. What you're going to do is you're going to pour in your baking soda first. Get you a fair amount of baking soda in there, and you're going to try and break up as many of the clumps as you can. It's probably going to be a lot easier if you have a sifter, or another way that I do it is I take the container and without making a mess, you just kind of shake it up like that, and that tends to help break up some of the clumps. And then you take your shaving cream, shake it up a little bit. You're going to kind of just coat the surface of the baking soda. Hope that the can cooperate. What you're going to do is you get your fingers in there. Start trying to mix it together the best you can. If you need to add more baking soda to the mixture to make it more like snow, you can. Or if you need to add more shaving cream.
Oh, you got to feel this.
Oh yeah. So you can feel the texture of the baking soda change as you add the shaving cream to it. And another neat thing is because it's coming out of a pressurized container, it actually feels a lot cooler.
It does feel cooler.
So
Put a little bit more
mix
in
it
there.
up. Put a little bit more in there?
More in there,
Okay.
yeah.
Just mix it up real good. And
You can feel it getting cooler in your hands. I wonder how it feels on your face.
oh.
Are you cold yet?
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Or you can also make a big fat snowball with it when you're done with it.
Oh, oh no! Okay.
But as you can see, the consistency makes it look very, very close to snow.